uChatunga Bellarmine Mugabe noTobias i-co-accused yakhe ahamba nayo there at the court. Their case has actually been postponed because information is not enough, or the investigators are still investigating enough. Like what happened, because you remember there was also that story, so what happened was that there were people who were just chilling outside their house there in Hyde Park, and then the next thing, bangena ngaphakathi, and then the next thing, it wasn't even the gardener, it was a security guard. He shot himself at the back. Like, how is that? So they're like, no, they're still investigating properly. They need time, and there were some documents that were missing also during the court proceedings. There was also a technical failure, some electricity going on there. There was no electricity basically there at court, and then they had to postpone because of that. I'm just like, wow. uSinenhlanhla Bellarmine Mugabe's lawyer, or should I say, is he an advocate, this guy, because he's so well spoken? So he says no, he is fine, because they were also thinking maybe he's not fine. He's just like, no, that wasn't brought to my attention. I wouldn't know things like that. He was just about to say, no, I'm not a doctor as such, but he's fine. He's in his good spirits. He's okay. And obviously, we're just looking for a bail for him. That was Sinenhlanhla, the legal team. Yeah, brothers, Law Bellarmine. So the court will actually continue on Thursday for Bellarmine to get bail and a co-accused yakhe, uTobias. And then there was another rumor yokuthi ene ID, South African ID, and he's actually illegally. I was just like, Kanja, the guys, no, it's a lot. I don't know if he's even going to get this bail.